After the part model design is completed, the engineer proceeds to the assembly design and BOM organization process. This video demonstrates the process through a simple assembly and drawing creation. Start by inserting the required parts into the assembly. Then use the mate function to put the assembly together. CrownCAD offers various mate types to choose from freely. Mate Advanced and Mate Standard are the two most commonly used types. Using them in combination allows for precise assembly. Models involved in mating automatically become semi-transparent, making it easy to see hidden parts. Once the assembly is complete, use the batch rename function to efficiently rename multiple parts at once, streamlining the workflow. In the BOM tools, you can add part numbers in batch. This eliminates the process of opening individual parts to modify their part numbers. Duplicate part numbers are immediately apparent. Users can access the BOM to view the parts list or export it directly, facilitating the sharing of BOM by generating drawing directly from the assembly. The BOM is automatically created on the general assembly drawing. This enables quick and convenient BOM organization and modification. Part numbers are created automatically for a clean drawing. You can directly click on any balloon annotation to edit its number. The entire set of balloons will automatically renumber to maintain consistency. Visit www.crowncad.com to start designing.